Hey, it's Monday evening. I'm done work and made a bunch of phone calls and so running around. Anyways, it's 7 o'clock. I'm just getting the shop, so I'm only going to get about an hour and a half, 2 hours the most in here working on the truck. I'm still working on the lateral cab support for the left side. You can see it right here. So I had that piece missing I showed you guys yesterday. So I took I had the radius profile left over from another piece when I cut this off. So I trimmed it down to fit in there. You can see it there. Yeah. And then I can weld it along and grind it and flat. And then the top, obviously there's too much overlap there, but I'm close where I can grind and tap it to get it to fit the same profile that's the support is already. At the very worst case scenario, I'll have to break out the torches and heat it up and tap it around. But I think once it gets some heat in it from welding up along that edge there and over the rad and down this side, it'll be malleable enough that I should be able to bend it to where I want and grind off the excess. Yeah, so I'm gonna get that right now. So there it is. I filled in that hole with that chunk of metal and welded and hammered and formed and yeah. I should have bought a new one. But anyways, so the longitudinal support is done. I was thinking about welding in those circles, those holes there, but you know what, that's factory. And I'm tired of working on this one piece. So I am moving on. Oh no, I do have to fill in that one there because that's a spot weld location. But yes, I'm doing that and then moving on to the next piece. So I'm calling it for tonight. It was a short night, like I said, but as you know, I finished up the lateral cross piece, and then I was going to fit it in there and start tacking it in because I can do that at this point. But then I had to clean up the firewall floor on the firewall and the floor on the inside. So see, there's the firewall, and then where it dips down. So I had to clean all that off to be able to spot weld the lateral support in, and it was covered in this greasy tar like stuff. Where is it? You can see it. Yeah, see around the jack stand there. Yeah, that teeth. Yeah, so I had to scrape that off and then take that wire wheel there. Did a good job. I don't need to get all the paint off. I mean, they can act as a primer of sorts, but I am going to be putting a primer over top of everything, and I'm probably going to paint the bottom side you know, like a box liner or a Pour 15 or something like that, something that'll protect it for years to come. So yeah, that's it. Short night, but hopefully tomorrow I will be able to jump out a little bit sooner, quicker I should say, after work and get a bigger chunk done. It's a big, like it was said a few times, this is a big learning process for me. It's taking longer than I thought it would, which is no big deal. I've got all winter. I'm stuck indoors for the winter time. So yeah, so good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.